Okay, there's block 13 of Stitch Pink 2020 by Moda, and this one is called Rock and Roll.
All right, we're ready for block 13 in Stitch Pink, Moda's Stitch Pink Sew Along. This one's called Rock and Roll. This one's going to be a little bit easier for a change. Get your pieces cut out. I don't know why it has you do C and it says C and D. It's the same fabric. I don't know why they have them lettered differently, but that's okay. You're going to do the same thing to both of these. So what you're basically doing, the first thing you want to do is build 4 of these hourglass units. When you get that finished, you're really almost finished with the block. So I'll go get those sewn. I'll come back and show you how to lay it out. Okay, I've got my blocks sewn, my hourglass units sewn together. I've got them laid out. It's basically a 9 patch now. And the pattern shows the little plus signs of what you sew together. It tells you how to press your seams if you don't press them open to have opposing seams. So what I want to point out is that the center is red, or the darker pink, or the red, and the little triangles next to it are all pink, so that helps you lay yours out.
Because if you turn one of these,
yeah, if you turn them, they're going to look a lot
that makes
different.
it look like a big, huge square in the middle, and that's not what you want.
Yeah,
it's one weird looking
is,
block.
Kind
of pretty.
Different though. Yeah.
I'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll get it all fixed back. Okay, thank you for joining us for block 13.
Rock and roll.